So guys, let's make this lemon cake sponge. It's so delicious. And usually I cut it in 3 layers and put some lemon curd in between. So good. Then I glaze it and put some nipped sugar to give a bit of crunch. Okay, so the sponge is really simple. So we've got 1200 of castor sugar. That's gonna go into this mixer with the whisk. Crème fraiche, (500 grams) of crème fraiche, or actually you could use Greek yogurt. I've done it before because I ran out of crème fraiche and it did work. So crème fraiche or Greek yogurt. Mixy. Now we need 350 melted butter. 350 in a microwave. Mixer, sugar and crème fraîche, second speed. So it's gonna mix the crème fraîche and the sugar together. While he's doing this, we're gonna crack our eggs. So we need 850 grams of eggs. Right, eggs one by one. Well, I say one by one, but like few at a time until the nice combine and then add some more. Because it's a big recipe, so you're allowed. Right, my eggs are incorporated now. I'm gonna zest 5 lemons and add them to the mix. Alright, so 1 kilo of flour, 32 grams of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. The flour, first speed, second speed now. Alright, and the butter which has melted previously, first speed. Now we're just gonna incorporate the butter now. That's all. So a little bit at a time, no rush. So it smooths that batter very lovely. Alright, lovely. Let's see how many cakes we can do. So I got those 2 tins here, 8 inches diameter and 3 inches high probably. We're gonna do those both first and see how much more we can do with this recipe. Let's check the seasoning. Nice and lemony. Alright, so first mold. We have 1 kilo in there, it's good. 1 kilo of mix. It's like halfway of the height of the mold. Alright, so let's do 1 terrine now. So guys, conclusion, if you want to make one tin like that, 8 inches wide, 3 inches high, divide the recipe by 4 and then you'll have only one cake. Alright, in the oven, 170 to begin with, and when you start coloring at the top, you're gonna put a parchment paper so it's gonna cook inside and reduce the heat at 160. Okay guys, the lemon cake, look at this. Put the knife, comes out clean, lovely. So that's been in the oven 40 minutes, a bit more maybe. But basically, you went first, start coloring, put a parchment paper on top, let it bake at 160, and that's how it come out perfectly. The little terrain, like a proper cake style with this little bump in the middle.